Ethereum will be a 5-digit asset. The only question is, when is that going to happen? Ethereum has so many positive catalysts right now working in its favor. It feels like Ethereum is a bit of a ticking time bomb, tick, 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 just waiting to explode higher right now. In this video, I will discuss those catalysts and why I believe that the current price of Ethereum is cheap. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you would like to do, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel and definitely click on the bell so you get notified when I put out a new video. And if you want to buy yourself some Ethereum or maybe another top cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Cardano or Polkadot, then you must get yourself an account over on Binance. It is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange, and if you use the link down below in the description to sign up and start your account, you're going to get 10% off of your fees and up to $700 in trading bonuses, the details of which you can see on the screen here. Just use the first link in the description to get started. Now let's get into today's topic. First, let's start off by talking about the supply of Ethereum right now. This week, we had the second biggest Ethereum outflow from centralized exchanges, with 235,000 Ethereum withdrawn in a single hour. When the price went down, buyers stepped up big time. That's just the second biggest of this year, of course, but still it shows that right now interest is very high to get Ethereum, because that's like $400 million worth of Ethereum that was bought up by buyers. That's insanely big. This is bullish as it shows that the demand is still red hot for Ethereum. In fact, on-exchange balances for Ethereum just reached a new low. Ethereum is in accumulation mode. Whales are still buying heavily. Now, why might that be the case? Well, it is simple. A lot of market participants believe that the price is going to go higher. Genius, Lark. Genius. No, but seriously. Ethereum is going to be a 5-digit asset, not just like $10,001, likely much higher than that. Here are some of the reasons why I believe that the best days for Ethereum are yet to come. And let's start off by talking about NFTs, good old non-fungible tokens. Well, the idea of NFTs may be hard for some people to wrap their heads around. It's pretty hard to deny that NFTs are not getting a lot of buzz right now, because they are. The media is going crazy about it. There's lots of people talking about, big celebrities talking about NFTs, big celebrities launching NFTs, especially with the sale this week of the artist Beeple's art NFT for $69 million at the Christie's auction house. Beeple is now the third most expensive living artist. His art lives on Ethereum. Seems everyone, of course, is talking about NFTs these days. And this is really important because an entire new audience of people are being exposed to an exciting new use case for cryptocurrency and, of course, to Ethereum. Art, gaming, music, collectibles, all are going to benefit from this surge in interest around NFTs. And it's not just rich collectors buying art. We have early movers like the Kings of Leon, right? They're launching an album as an NFT. You have the NBA. Crazy. They're out there, doing basically basketball collectible cards. The trend is big. People are starting to get it when it comes to why blockchain technology is useful and some of the value propositions behind this technology. And the undisputed home of NFTs is Ethereum. Every major NFT market is an Ethereum market. Sure. Other chains are going to do NFTs. I welcome that. Excited about that as well. But as so often happens, all the liquidity and all the most valuable stuff, it's on Ethereum. The NFT market has barely even started to get big. We're just looking at the early movers right now. It's just beginning. Then there is decentralized finance. And while the growth of DeFi has been incredible over the last year, let me just show you this graph as an example. We still only have 1.6 million unique addresses which have used DeFi protocols. That means that only around 3.5% of all active Ethereum wallets have used DeFi. The biggest thing happening in cryptocurrencies. and still only a tiny fraction of users have actually used it. That's insane. This says one thing to me. We're so early for DeFi, and there's still so much room to grow. Yes, other chains are doing DeFi, which again, that's great. I'm very excited about that. You guys know I'm a massive fan of other chains like, Polkadot and what they're doing. But again, the biggest and the best protocols with the deepest liquidity are building on Ethereum. They live on Ethereum. The potential addressable market for decentralized lending and borrowing and exchanging and other more exotic financial services, massive, absolutely massive. We're literally talking about the future of finance here. How big do you think the market cap of Ethereum will be when we finally hit 1 billion users later this decade? That's coming. We will reach that day. What will the price of Ethereum be then? A lot higher than it is right now. But Lark, come on, man. Ethereum can't scale to that kind of user base. That's false. Ethereum is working very hard on scaling right now. In fact, a major upgrade is underway that will likely be shipped to the Ethereum mainnet within the next few weeks, a couple of months at the latest. That's going to totally change the way we do fees on Ethereum. Going to bring fees down massively. It is called Optimism, a layer 2 scaling solution that will essentially allow for 100x scalability for Ethereum. This is going to scale both simple transactions and, most importantly, smart contracts. Now, this is an area for Ethereum that has been plagued by high fees. Optimism scales Ethereum in 2021 before Ethereum 2.0 even comes out, making Ethereum ready for basically the next 100 million users. And that's just with Optimism. That's not even talking about ETH 2.0, which hasn't launched yet, obviously still in progress, going to launch sometime in 2022. Then we're talking 1000x scalability. Ethereum is going to be the foundation of the new global financial system. I mean, how do you accurately value something like that? I don't know what the exact answer to that is, but I do know this. It's not properly valued at the current price, and that a 5-digit Ethereum, it's coming. It's coming. The only question is, when is that going to happen? And much like we see with Bitcoin, the higher the price goes, the more serious of an asset it becomes for the big money crowd, and the more likely they are to buy it, pushing the price even higher, becoming a self-fulfilling prophecy of a 5-digit Ethereum. What do you think? Is Ethereum going to hit $10,000 or more in 2021, or do you think it's going to take a bit longer? Are you an Ethereum bear? Do you think the best days of Ethereum are behind it, not ahead of it like I believe? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.